Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE to Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can open camera using drawing O on the empty screen, that is on locked screen. First, you have to set the settings. Go to the settings of our phone first and click on System Settings and click on Gestures and Motions and click on Screen of Gestures and turn on the button against Draw and O to open camera. Yes, now put lock screen and draw O on the locked screen. Camera will be directly opened. See here. Yes, it is opened. And I show. You can draw O either on the clockwise direction or clockwise direction. Once again I show it. This is on the clockwise direction. Yes. So in this way you can easily open camera on the locked screen itself. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.